Hello, my friend Mitch Asser here. Welcome back to Mitch Asser Marketing and welcome to this week's members training video. So if you don't know yet, then anyone who purchases GrooveFunnels through my affiliate link gets access to one funnel per week for 52 weeks, an entire year of funnels valued at over $11,000. Not only that, but you also get full white label rights. So you can use these funnels as your own. You can use these as bonuses for your business. You can use these for your clients. You can use them in any way that you want. You can even sell them if you really want to. But so this week is actually a continuation on from last week. Last week, if you haven't seen it yet, you can check out some of my other videos, and there'll be a playlist down below of all of the member tutorials where we talked about a really simple yet really effective funnel, which is your bridge page or your squeeze page to bridge page funnel. And then this would be the long form sales page, which I'm going to talk about today, would actually be the final part to add to this funnel. So I'm going to show you one sales page today. However, I was talking to my designer. He's super excited about this as well, and he's actually going to build you an extra long form sales page hopefully today or tomorrow, and so that'll be available for you at a later date as well. I always like to over give in the members area here, and for all of the members, you know where you can get access to these, and you'll find that second link in there as well. But today's funnel or long form sales page has been modeled off this page. So this is part of my digital nomad sessions funnel, which is basically an ebook bundle download to a bridge page where I talk about that the ebook is coming soon and the reasons why they should actually check out this offer. And then it comes through to this page, which is just a variation on a summit that I put together earlier in the year. And I put it together fairly quickly. It hasn't been optimized at all, but it's converting at about 0.5 to 1%. So with a little bit of work, I could probably get this into 2 or 3%, which would then make it really profitable to run. However, I've got so many things to do right now. I'm so excited about so much. So I haven't actually got to this yet, but I will be very soon. But this is the page that it's modeling from. Now, if you're a member, you'll have access to all of these screenshots where you can come through and check all of this. But basically, this is what we've created for you. And if I'm honest, this page looks way better than the one that I created. Like I said, I've hired a funnel builder to do all of these for you, way better than me at this. So you're actually getting really top quality work. Without paying thousands of dollars. I'm paying those thousands of dollars for you. You're just reaping all of the rewards from that. So let's dive into this page now, and I'm going to give you an overview of it entirely, and then I'm going to tell you where you can actually use this and some of the ways you would want to position it. So first of all, it's really your headlines that captures the most attention, and the most important attention grabbing headline is that first one up the top there. So it's good to have a headline like this, and it's also good to have a sub-headline where you can either call out the people who you're speaking to so that they know that it's exactly for them, or you can build some sort of credibility within that sub-headline as well, which is what I've done in this particular one. So I've left a lot of the headlines that I've used on my page here to give you a bit of a starting point of what you want to create for your own business and your own offer. However, as a member, you also get access to this one as well, Headlines Exposed, which is a book that I've put together with all of the headline formulas that you can use to actually get access, or to actually make sure that it's attention grabbing and effective for your particular business. There's also 2 more copywriting books, so you can check them out as well to help you create copy for this particular page. In all of the places where there's images, we've just put a placeholder. There should be a bonus lesson somewhere where I talked about how to create these images in Canva. Another extra bonus, if you do wish to have them, you need to reach out to me to get this, is I'll offer up any of my templates in Canva to you for free. So the only catch with that is you just need to be purchase GrooveFunnels lifetime deal or one of the subscription plans through my link, and you get all of this stuff. This is literally, I'm giving you literally 5 years of what's been in my mind and what's templated in all of my programs like Canva and like in here and all the screenshots. You're getting like literally tens of thousands of dollars of value here if you do sign up to GrooveFunnels through my link. So this placeholder can be used for an image. It can also be used for a video. So if you're really good on video, then I would suggest testing that as well. You got some testimonials to add in here, and then this is where we want to start to actually introduce what the offer is. So this is a good place to start to hit on some of the pain points of what your avatar is going through right now. Start to sort of talk about the things that they need to do to overcome that, and then you want to introduce your offer down here, which is what they will actually get, which is the things that help them overcome those challenges that you've already introduced. Just always talking about the value. You know, it's up to you what you do with your call to actions. Sometimes I like to test whether I drop the price or whether I just have it at a one price. You know, it's always good to test those things. This particular page is modeled around multiple speakers teaching this course, so that's why it's positioned this way. However, if it wasn't, then you could just remove this section here where all of these speaker heads are, and you could just talk about your different modules. So instead of social media domination taught by 6 people, it could be just you teaching social media domination, or whatever that means for your particular business. And you can just layer out you know, 5 or 6 bullet points of the things that you cover within that module, which are essentially the headlines of how to overcome the challenges people are going through. So there's actually a really good screen capture within the members area, which by Navid Moazes. So it's like a virtual summit screen capture, and you'll be able to check all of that out in the members area of how he's structured his, and it would work perfectly in this area. So that's all of that section. A lot of it's repeated, so it's quite easily just to delete stuff. So if we come down to that section within the builder, and let's say we only have 4 modules, then we can just click on this section here. So see how it blocks out from all around there down to all around this particular bit. And so that's what you call a container, and then you would just click delete, and then that would delete that entire container, and then it's pretty much good to go. The other thing is as well, like you know, my designer went a little bit overboard here, but essentially, let's say you're changing this entire area to a brand new container and it's designed differently, then you could delete from module 2 down, and then you could just duplicate your entire new section that you've already created to save you time, rather than creating that 5 times over. Just create it once, get module 1 ready to go completely how you want it first, and then you just duplicate that once it's all good, and then you just do your edits to your copy. That's basically one of the shortcuts that you can do when editing this particular template. So yeah, enjoy that little shortcut tip. It took me a long time to figure out these types of things, building funnels for like 4 years now. So then you just want to hit on some reasons why your program is going to deliver results, a quick recap, which is all the stuff you talked about before, a money back guarantee, and any FAQs, and a little bit about you, and then always end with a call to action as well. So that's that template, and it's a pretty amazing template. Even like this, I think this branding looks better than what I've got. I think the page itself looks better than what I've got. So we're really delivering the best quality here for you in this particular offer. So for the members, this will be in your members area. You know where to go to get that. If you don't, then hit me up. If you're not a member, then come through and check out this page. You know, I talk about GrooveFunnels as a whole. I talk about how you can get over $37 worth of bonuses, which includes a full funnel review by me. Once you've got your funnel set up, I do a full review personally for you. So I've never seen anyone do that for a bonus for this particular software yet. You get full white label rights to 52 funnels over the year. You get a swipe file vault, which has got dozens, if not dozens, probably hundreds of funnels and pages and email copy and ad copy. And then 30 days messenger and email support to ask me anything about online business, but mostly about funnel building would be the most valuable thing for you to do. And if you're not ready to get the lifetime deal yet, then at least come and get your free card and affiliate software. Plus you get access to 3 Groove Pages funnels, so you can start to play around with the funnels and see if you actually like it and decide if it is worth it for you. So if you want to read a little bit more about me, then that's there. But I've built a lot of funnels. I've helped generate a lot of email subscribers, and probably like 15 to 20,000 online sales now. So we can definitely help you. I think that's it. Thanks for joining me. If you do like these videos and you want to subscribe to more, hit that subscribe button. And if you do have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at any time, and I can point you in the right direction of where you need to go. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.